This is what happened this week in Africa. Tanzania and Uganda signed a framework to build the Tanga Regional Energy Hub, a $20 billion bet on turning a single port into East Africa's petroleum storage, refining and trading center. This is the region choosing to process its own crude oil instead of piping it out, and it turns Uganda's incoming oil production into regional industry, not just a national export line. Mauritania greenlit a $2 billion iron ore concentrate mine at Al Arouj, a final investment decision, not a pledge. This is the difference between a mining nation talking about the value addition and one actually building the plant. It also signals investors are betting on Mauritania to have a strong mining pipeline well beyond its existing flagship projects. Rwanda and the European Union signed a €40 million deal to modernize irrigation and climate-resilient farming under the Hanga Ribihe program. Small check, sharp focus. Rwanda keeps converting the donor trust into agricultural capacity, not just budget support. It's also a bet that resilient smallholder farming, not just tech and services, anchors Rwanda's next growth phase. Momentum kept building in Lome as the ECOWAS Investment and Development Bank signed an €80 million credit line with Coris Holding to fund food, energy and agriculture projects across 10 West African markets. Togo is becoming the hub where regional capacity actually gets deployed. That's a currency of its own. Being the place deals get signed and done, builds a track record, other capital follows. This week, the Africa Continental Free Trade Area signed a 20-year, $3.1 billion concession to digitize customs across 50 countries. The infrastructure that turns free trade agreement on paper into goods actually clearing borders faster. And its proof of concept exported. A system built in Nigeria is now the model for the whole continent. This has been This Week in Africa, where Tanzania and Uganda bet big on refining fuel. Mauritania turned iron ore ambition into investment. Rwanda built climate-smart farms. Togo becomes West Africa's capital deployment country. And the whole continent has widened its borders for speed. Building, not waiting.